Hey guys, Jason here with this week's Market in a Minute. The big news this week, the longest shutdown in our country's history has officially ended. The president has signed the bill that reopens government, ends the shutdown after 43 long days. So what has that done to mortgage rates? Well, mortgage rates remain mostly unchanged since last week, and we think that's probably due to a couple things. Specifically, the government, or even more so the White House, has announced that they don't plan on releasing the job data and the inflation data from October. Now, this could affect what the Federal Reserve does next month in December when it comes time to making the announcement whether they're going to decide to cut rates again or not. We were expecting a quarter of a cut, another 0.25%, but I think that might be in limbo now due to the fact that they don't have the data to review and analyze and make that decision with. So we'll see what happens there. Where are rates now? Well, according to Mortgage News Daily, the national average for a 30-year fixed is at 6.29%. So not a huge change from last week. So in other news, the Pulte, if you oversees the two major government-sponsored entities, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, who insure and back over half of the mortgages that are written throughout the country. Well, Pulte is floating some ideas out there on how to make mortgages more affordable. And a couple of the ideas that they're floating out there, one, as you've probably already heard, the 50-year mortgage term, to extend the mortgage term for 50 years. The second is making mortgages assumable. And by doing that, the idea is that the home buyer, when they go to sell their current home, they can take their current rate with them when they buy the next home. So we'll see if they stick or not. They got to work through, obviously, logistics, see if it makes sense, but I'll report more on that as we get more information. That's it for this week. If you have any questions, reach out anytime. I'm always happy to help, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.